The best just got brighter. Kaba is excited to announce a significant feature enhancement to the X-10 lock. Locks installed in poorly lit areas make it difficult to see the visual controls. However, flashlights or external means to light the dial may not be permitted. The Kaba X-10 lock now has the solution. Starting March 25, 2014, all X-10 locks will be manufactured with a backlit LCD as a standard feature. Simply turn the dial to power the lock, and the backlit display will illuminate. The X-10 lock generates enough light for you to easily see the visual controls. However, the amount of light does not create a security concern, and the backlit display still retains the same restricted viewing angle. The X-10 was originally designed with the backlit display in mind, and was approved by the GSA on its first test submittal. Nothing else changes. The X-10 lock with the backlit display feature operates and installs the same as the non-backlit X-10 lock. The price and part numbers also remain the same for ease of ordering. And, as always, the self-powered X-10 has no batteries that would require an additional maintenance schedule. Buy with confidence. All X-10 locks manufactured after March 25, 2014 will have an extended warranty. With the new backlit display and extended warranty, it becomes crystal clear why the X-10 remains the #1 choice for securing our nation's most classified information. For more information about the new X-10 lock, please visit the Kaba website at www.kaba-moss.com.